Happy Teachers Day. Right from morning, I have been getting wishes from my students. WhatsApp and Facebook pages are flooded with wishes. This is a very happy moment for teachers. The children would have studied 15 years back or 20 years back, but still they remember the teachers and send wishes. So in India, in our society, in our tradition, in our culture, in religion, the teachers are respected, the teachers are regarded well. So if you take Indian epics, you find in Ramayana, Lord Rama with his brothers went to the Gurukula and learnt from Vasishta. So there was a system followed in those days that the students, they should go to the Gurukulam and do service, stay with the gurus, do service to the gurus and learn. Krishna went to Chantipani. They were Lord Krishna and Rama were the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, but still they wanted to learn from the gurus when they took the birth of Lord Rama and Lord Krishna. So the Guru has got a special role or the special place in society. The learning from him is considered as it's a big achievement. So it has been followed right from the epic period to modern days. The system of schooling have undergone the changes. So in the epic period you find the kings. They used to send their children to the gurus and get education. Then later period you can see the acharyans, alvars, and you find the medieval period, the kings. The kings, they used to go to the teacher and learn. The teachers help them. If you look at the history of or read the history of the great kings, you find the teacher plays very important role in their history. For example, if you take Chandragupta Maurya, Chanakya played very important role. Chhatrapati Shivaji, his teacher played very important role. So you find that the teachers take them in the right path and show them how to be a good ruler. See, making a kingdom, it's not enough. How to be a good ruler is very, very important. So that is how they were guided by their teachers. So the teachers play very important role. Teachers were respected in olden days as well as the modern period also. If you take Vivekananda had so much of respect for his guru, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So you have so many role models. And we had Adi Shankara, we had Ramanuja, Acharyans, and their teachings are relevant to even modern day. So they are all Acharyans, Jagadacharyans. They are Acharyans for the entire world because their teachings are so important for a man to lead a good life, a disciplined life. So how to be a disciplined person, you have that is taught by a guru. Though the parents teach you at home, but still we spend most part of the day with the teachers. So you learn from them. So the teachers correct our mistakes and take us in the right path and help us in whichever subject we are interested in. They guide us to concentrate or to take up that subject. So each one of us gets different kind of help from the teachers. So approaching a teacher is also very easier in our country, and the relationship between teacher and student, that is adorable in our country. So we find the Teachers' Day is celebrated in our country in remembrance of the former President of India, Sri Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was a teacher once. So he was a firm believer in Vedas. According to him, Vedas form the backbone of Hindu culture. Vedas register the intuitions of perfected souls. Because we believe that those souls share their experiences, their life experiences with them, which are valuable. That is what we have in our Vedas. And many discoveries were made by scientists that was not only out of the knowledge they received from the textbooks, it was the result of the inspiration. So we all inspired by our gurus, and the gurus guide us in a proper way to achieve our goals. So let's remember our gurus today. So the teacher's role is very, very significant in our lives, whether it is small or big. So it depends again on each individual. So I feel very proud on this day being a teacher. That is definitely, it's a blessing. So Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. So Guru is the one who takes us to, a spiritual guru takes us to the Lord, shows us the way to reach God or think of God. And academically you find the teacher who introduces you to the world. It can be through any subject. It can be through maths or English or social science or any subject. She is connecting you with the world. She is taking you to the world through the subject she teaches. Thank you so much.